Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey there, Tony Policastro. Hey, if you could just bring a hot dish to the potluck tonight, you'll get in for free. It won't even be a problem. Hey folks, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Happy New Year. I know that it's almost March and you may be wondering why I'm wishing you a Happy New Year, but today we have a new guitar for 2013 from the folks at Gibson Acoustic. And I'm really pumped about it, so I wanted to share it with you. But before I tell you all about this instrument, I want to make sure you sign up for the Acoustic Letter. You will be very glad that you did so. On to the Gibson J-35. The Gibson 2013 J-35, as a matter of fact. This is a new development from the folks down the street from us here in Montana, and it is an incredibly well-priced, incredibly well-performing instrument. It's a J-35, so it's shaped just like a J-45, but stripped down a little bit. We have a Sitka spruce top, classic fire stripe pickguard. We have white binding used around, a rosewood bridge, tusk saddle, rosewood fingerboard with standard dot inlay, tusk nut, which is about 1 3/4 inches. We have a very, very cool, my favorite part of the instrument, besides the tone, of course, a very cool old-style vintage headstock, which has the Gibson inscript, the banner logo, and, which I'm super pumped they did this, white button Kluson tuners, which perform great and look awesome. And we have a beautiful, beautiful mahogany back and a very, very awesome mahogany neck with just a nice profile on it. It's not too shallow, it's not too deep, but it's a nice beefy neck, and it feels great. This guitar plays great, it sounds awesome, and I'm super, super pumped to share it with you. So let's give this Gibson J-35 a play so you can hear what it sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.